Hey everyone! Want to make your Facebook account more secure? In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to activate two-factor authentication on Facebook using your iPhone. First, open the Facebook app. Tap on the menu icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. Then tap Settings. At the top of the screen, tap on Account Center. Now, select Password and Security. Under Login and Recovery, tap on Two-Factor Authentication. Choose the Facebook account you want to secure. Here you can choose your preferred login code method, such as SMS or WhatsApp, an authentication app, or security keys. Select SMS or WhatsApp to receive security codes directly on your phone, and make sure the toggle is switched on. And that's it! Your Facebook account is now protected with two-factor authentication. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.